Si Manong Roger.
Monkey.
Si Douglas.
Cat.
Nasaan sila?
Nandun. Sa labas na.
Tara, magpas.
Orasan.
Tawag lang.
Nuts.
Hala.
Cat.
Ano sila? Baka isa sila.
Van.
Uy, oh,
Juice.
ano? Para mailigtas tayo.
Egg.
Ayos.
So, ayun lang guys.
B.
Nakauwi na kami tatlo.
Maraming salamat.
Oo nga.
Monkey.
Manong Roger. Naligtas yung dalawa.
Ice cream.
Maglalaro na ulit kami.
Ano ba daw?
Yay!
Yay!
I don't know.
Yay!
Cat again. Van. L. Lemon. Lemon. B. Bead. Ay, beans.
Ay, at malapit na ang Christmas. Tara, yayain natin si Pets. Mga ruling.
No. Monkey.
May libro. Uy, tara, buksan
Yeah.
natin.
Oh, ano daw?
Ano kaya ito? Basahin nga
X.
natin.
Box.
Punta ka sa playground. May
Lemon
Christmas
again.
gift ka.
You.
Hala, si Santa nga. Sabihin natin, sige po.
You fun?
Thank you.
I don't know.
Punta daw tayo sa playground.
Nuts.
Baka nandun na yung gift ni Santa. Tara, let's go.
cat.
Uy, eto na yung playground.
Box.
Asan kaya yung gift ni Santa?
Oh.
Wala naman dito sa baba. Uy, ayun.
I don't know.
Nasa taas pala.
Tayo.
Kaya pala hindi ko makita.
Color. No.
Paano natin ito makakuha?
G.
Kailangan pa natin
Goat.
mag-parkour. Yeah.
E.
Yan, dalawa
Pig.
na lang. Yeah.
G.
Yun.
Goat.
Dito tayo sa
M.
taas.
Monkey.
Makukuha ba natin to?
O.
Uy, basahin natin to.
I don't know.
Ako ba, gift?
E.
Bakit book mo na naman? Yay,
That's-
galing
oh.
mo. Punta ka
No.
sa beach para sa gift. Ano ba
I
yan?
don't know, F.
Wala pa rin pala dito.
G.
Punta daw tayo
Goat.
sa beach.
B.
Tara guys.
Beans.
Ito yung beach oh.
ID.
Uy, ayun na ba yung gift ko? Tara, tignan natin.
Payong.
Christmas gift shade.
Umbrella.
Thank you, Santa.
Fun.
Trash. But then one essentially climbed out of it and changed her whole life.
Cut.
Meet Ihyun, fresh off a gap year after her
Tiger. At some tree.
She just wants to lay low, and it's working until he shows up. Enter Chanwoo, notorious
Yes.
with a PhD in flirting. He's got a new girl every day until he sees her.
Umbrella.
Now, this red flag can't stop chasing one girl, and
And
she can't run away fast
nuts.
enough. Seriously, it's like she unlocks teleportation
Yogurt.
whenever he approaches. But destiny, or perhaps just
I don't know.
Chanwoo's relentless charm, keeps throwing them together. When she asks him to play pretend boyfriend,
Q.
he's all too eager to agree. One
Queen.
dodging feelings
Pala.
and the other sprinting